Hey y'all, how is everybody doing today? What is today? Wednesday. We have, it has been cold here in Georgia and we have had some crazy wind today. So I am sharing this video into my customer group real quick and then we're going to get started. So I'm excited to share with you guys my January bonus buys, which is something that was just rolled out this morning. And it is awesome. So many great deals, and I have so many of them here in my hands. So I can't wait to show you guys what they look like in person. So there we go. We have it shared. So this is just some extra customer appreciation celebration items for you at up to 60% off, which is amazing. And these products I am so excited about, and I'm so glad that I still had some at home in my hands. So I'm going to share a few of those with you right now. So the one that I'm wearing right now is the convertible belt bag. So as you can see, I'm wearing it as, around my hip as a belt bag. It's the perfect size. It's so cute. And you can, let's see, you can also wear it as a crossbody. So here's the front. This is in sunset gold embroidery. So cute. So on the back, of course, this is where you're going to loop it around here to wear it as a belt bag. But you can also take it out of here, hook it around these D-rings right here, and then you can wear it as a crossbody. So this is the convertible belt bag. It's normally $48, and in the sale, it is $20. Such a cute little gift. So on the inside, you have card slots right there. It's the perfect place for if you do vendor events. It's great to keep your cash. My cell phone fits in here, my ID, so many things. So this is the convertible belt bag. So cute. Such a great gift even for someone my age, older, or a teenager. Great one. So that's the convertible belt bag. The next thing is the Bleacher Blanket, okay? This is in the charcoal print. We've got the spring sports fixing to start. You got baseball, you got soccer, you have tennis, all kinds of things. So sometimes it's chilly at those games. So you're always going to want to keep your Bleacher Blanket in your car. So it folds up just like this in Velcros, and you can have this personalized with a baseball, a softball, running shoes. We have so many icons that you can put on here. Such a cute idea. Hey, Leah. So what you do is, of course, it has these handles right here. You un-Velcro it right here. Okay. You fold it open, and now you have a huge, huge blanket. It's taller than me. It's wider than me. So on one side, you have like this vinyl feel, like this. So if the grass is wet, or the bleachers are wet, or the concrete bleachers are wet, you can lay it down this way. And then on this side, it has like this fleece feel. So this is a Bleacher Blanket. You're going to want this to keep it in your car. Hey, Leah, it's normally $50, and in the sale, it is, let's see, where is it? $20 in the sale. Normally $50, it's $20 in the sale. So I forgot to mention that this sale is until the end of January while supplies last. So if there's something that you want to see or you want to get, go ahead and place your order because it may not be there until at the end of January. The next thing, you've got your Bleacher Blankets, you're going to your ball games. Now you're going to need this rolling cooler. So the rolling cooler that's in the sale is in the Candy Corners print, and I should have grabbed something in that print to show you. But it's like this hot pink and neon colored candy corners. Really, really cute. But this is a rolling cooler. So you have your retractable handle right here. It has wheels to roll. Then you have on the front of it, you've got a zipper on the front right here. And on the inside, it has our leak lock lining, which means that you can put ice directly in here and it won't leak out. How cool is that? So on the inside, it's really big. And I have a gallon of milk in there just to kind of give you a size comparison in there. So this thing is huge. Perfect for the beach. Perfect for the swimming pool. I know you guys are getting ready. I'm getting ready for spring break. I'm excited that I may actually get to go somewhere this year. So this is the rolling cooler. It was normally $180. It's in the sale for $50 in the Candy Corners print. So maybe I can show you guys the print. That is the print right there. Okay. Hi, Jessica. All right, so the rolling cooler's in the sale, $50, and I have a feeling that that's going to go very, very fast. All right, the next thing is our Littles Carry-All Caddies. So look how cute these are. Do you guys remember these from this past summer? This one too. This is the Farm Fun print. This is the shark print. How cute is that? The unicorn. And this print, this bag also comes in the camper print. Look how cute that is, okay? So these are normally, these little caddies are normally $14. In the sale, they are $7. So these are so cute for kids, for little Easter baskets. How adorable are these little Easter baskets for $7? I mean, you can't beat that. So these were our past summer prints in 2018, and they sold like hotcakes. People were going crazy over these. So these are $7. Also in the sale, we have our classic cinch sack. So you guys remember this cinch sack like here? It's normally $10, but in these prints right here, the cinch sack is $10. So it's normally $20. In the sale, the cinch sack in these prints are $10, okay? And then we also have the thermal tote, which is our #1 selling lunch thermal. It's going to come in the unicorn print. So if you go on my website and in the search, just type in unicorn and it's going to pull up everything that is in that unicorn print that's on sale. All right, the next thing I have for you guys is the All Pro Tote. So this is something that's in our current catalog right now. It's not old products, it's not old prints, it is current print. So this is in our camo. This is the All Pro Tote. Okay, kind of looks boring, right? Well, on the front you have this section right here. So you can roll up a towel in here. You can roll up a yoga mat, so beach towel if you're taking this to the beach. Hey, Vicky. And then right here you have this little mesh pocket right here. You can unzip this, and this is a separate compartment for shoes. If you're using this as a gym bag and your shoes stink, they're dirty, you can stick your shoes in there and keep them separate. If you have wet bathing suits, you want to wring them out, but they're still wet and you don't want to get everything else damp, put them in there. Then on this side, you have a mesh pocket so you can keep your keys and your chapstick and your telephone. Also, let's see, there is actually a little hidden cell phone pocket right here. So you wouldn't need to keep your cell phone right here. You'll put your cell phone right here in this little pocket. So it does have a zipper closure on top. And then on the inside, you have a zipper pouch. And you have 2 mesh pockets in there. And it also comes with a crossbody strap that you can hook around to both right here. So this is the All Pro Tote. It's normally $80. In our sale, it is $31. How awesome is that? This comes in camo, it comes in a rose blush color, and it also comes in black and white. And if you want to personalize it, it's going to be personalized on this side right here. So this is the All Pro Tote on sale for $31. It's normally $80. This is current product in a current print. All right. The next thing I have to show you guys is the double take tote. So this has been a Hostess exclusive or a Hostess special for I don't know how long. It's never been available for customers. And this bag is so cool. Okay, so on the outside is black. It's a black quilted bag. So you have tons of pockets. You've got pocket right here. You have a thermal pouch right here. On this side, you have a little hidden cell phone pocket right here. Pocket here, here, here. All right, but what's great about this and why it's called the double take tote is all you do is unsnap the sides and zip it down. Do the same thing on this side, and it is reversible. Now this is an old print. The one that's in the sale is black on one side and it has the moose print on the inside. So all my moose lovers, this is what it's gonna look like. It's that red right here, the red and white moose. So that's what your inside's gonna look like, okay? But it's still the same bag, okay? I promise. All right, so you have pockets here, here. Flip it around this side. You got a pocket right here, a zipper pocket right here, and a zipper pocket right here. So this double take tote is normally $158, and it's in the sale for $45. So it's that reversible tote. This is great for, you know, if you're a teacher, if you're a nurse and you carry so many things back and forth to work. This is a great bag for you, a great baby bag. There's so many pockets. You've got that thermal pouch. This can be used for so many different things. So this is the double take tote. The next thing that's in the sale, which I'm really excited about, and I actually bought one this morning for my daughter. This is the Hostess exclusive backpack. So it comes in 2 prints in the sale. It comes in the gray wave, which is right here, this gray and white wave, and it also comes in the bubble bloom print. All right, so this was normally $85, but it's on sale for $31. This was the Hostess exclusive that everybody still asked me about. This backpack is so well made. All right, so the front, you have a pocket right here, so you can slide. They can slide their lunch money in there, maybe extra pens, and keychains or like little Shopkins, you know, those things little kids carry. Then you have a zipper pocket right here. Goes all the way down. You have elastic pockets on both sides right here, and then on the inside I do have it zipped up. I shouldn't have zipped it so I could show faster. So on the inside it's very, very big. So I have a notebook in there just so I could kind of show you guys a size comparison. So a regular size notebook. So on the inside you have so many pockets, zipper pockets on the inside. It's so hard to kind of get my hands around this. Mary Jane has 30 keychains. I remember having keychains when I was a kid. I had tons of them. They were just like bulking out like that. I don't know why. I would get one everywhere we went. But these backpacks are not only good for kids, but as Jessica knows, we carry our backpacks to Dollywood when we go, Six Flags. You can keep your kids' drinks in here. These are so handy. So this is the backpack. It's on sale for $31. It comes in 2 prints. The next thing I'm really excited to share with you guys is the Style Setter. This was also a Hostess exclusive. So this is in the metallic cork print. It's kind of got that shimmery look to it. It also comes, look how gorgeous, it has a place for your cell phone back here. And here it is on me like this. It's huge. I mean, you would like knock out somebody if you're not careful. But this is great for like the beach, if you're going to the beach, to the pool. I actually used this as a carry-on before. I had my rolling bag, and then I used this as my one little purse, extra bag, and I had everything else in here. So it is huge. So let's see, on the inside, you got that polka dot print. You have pockets on the sides here, on both sides. You have 2 flat interior pockets. So this thing is huge. It also comes in 2 more prints. So it's going to come in this cobalt punch, this little flower punch print. It's going to come in that. And it also comes in this citron print. So my light is not doing it justice, but it's going to come in this citron print. So this is normally $128. It's in the sale for $40. So if it's too big for you, but it might be the perfect size for someone you know, this would be a great gift. So this is the Style Setter. Huge. This can probably hold 5 or 6 towels rolled up. I mean, it's huge. It's a great structured bag. All right, the next thing is the Cindy Tote Limited. So Cindy Tote is named after our founder and CEO, Cindy Monroe. And this is normally $108, but it's on sale for $50. It's going to come in 2 prints, the gray, and it's hard to see, it comes in the light gray, and then a navy color. Mine that I'm showing is black. I'm going to put my notebook in here just to show you. This is a great computer bag, a great professional bag. Have it personalized with your monogram, like a real classy monogram would look great. So on the inside, there it is with my notebook. It's a great... just a great classy bag. Okay, so you've got your signature cell phone pocket right here. Hey, Heather. You have 2 pockets right there and on the other side. And then on the inside, you have 3 flat interior pockets. So you got 1, 2, 3, and you have a zipper pocket back here. And this does zip close on the top. So you can keep any kind of important information, zip it up on top, and you're good to go. So this is the Cindy Tote Limited. It's in the sale for $50. All right, and then the next thing that I have to share with you guys, and I think it's the last thing I have to share. This is the one everybody has been going crazy about in my customer group today. So if you're not in my customer group, I hope that you will join. I'll put the link below. This is the Triple Duty Caddy. This was a Hostess exclusive also. I think 2 years ago. I gave it to my son's first grade teacher, and every time I see her still, she says she still uses this thing. Okay, I know that it looks really boring right now, okay? But on the front, I was going to put a pin in here. On the front, you have 3 little slots right here to keep your pens or highlighters. You have a place for a photo. So in here, I think I put the class photo that year in here for her. So you just slide this little card out and put a photo in there. So it's a triple duty caddy because it's 3 sections, okay? And then here's the back. It's got shoulder straps that are long enough to carry on your shoulder if you're moving from classroom to classroom. If you're a nurse and you're going to room, this is great. On the middle, on the inside, you have this. But what's great about this is our fold and file fits in here. So this is on sale in January. The fold and file is on sale. So if you spend $35 on any products, you can get 2 of our customer specials, and the fold and file is one of them. So the fold and file fits perfect in the middle section right here. Okay. Then say you still have notebooks that you're carrying, put those in the front section. This can hold several notebooks. And then here's a big notebook. This is a 2-inch binder. So I'm going to put that on the back side here. So now you have this mobile office to go. This thing is so cool. And I can still carry it on my shoulders if I need to. I can carry it right here just like this. So this is the triple duty caddy. This was a Hostess gift. It normally would sell for $65, but you can get it in the sale for $25. So if you guys have any questions, Leah, I just showed it. So hopefully you saw that. That is the triple duty caddy. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll put the link to shop in the comments. And if you need any other ideas for the products, or you want to see some pictures of how big it is, I am more than happy to send you some pictures to show you what it looks like. So again, thank you guys so much for shopping with me and allowing me to be your 31 consultant. I'm so excited. I'm excited about our bonus buys. And if you do see that I have my Texas Strong and my 31 Gives hat on, this shirt was from a few years ago when all the hurricanes came through Texas. We did a fundraiser for 31 to give back to Texas. So that's why I'm wearing this shirt. Just to remind you that when you round up your order to the nearest dollar, your dollars actually go towards something. So we give back to the Ronald McDonald House, Girl Talk, Nationwide Children's. There are so many things that we give back to. So that is why when you round up to the nearest dollar, we're so grateful. So thank you so much, you guys, and I will talk to you later.